Hi folks, that's CyanideL.com where we get on Android every day. Anyway, I've got a quick ROM overview of Resurrection Remix ROM. This is an Android 5.1 ROM for your Galaxy Note 2 GT-N7100. This is the international version. Alright, it is actually only available for the GT-N7100. I've been actually running this for last couple weeks, and it's actually pretty good. Everything works out of the box, a pretty solid ROM. Also, your camera works out of the box, which is really nice. There we go. So you won't have any problems with camera. Everything I've tested so far working really good. And also this ROM is being updated very often. So very nice stuff. You'll get all of the latest CM12 stuff, CyanogenMod stuff, including audio effects, the themes and everything. Now the cool part about this ROM is that it allows you to do a lot more customization than CM12.1 because it's a customized ROM. You can find all of that in configurations here. For those of you who've probably watched some of my videos, you can probably skip all of this, but if you haven't watched it, let me go through some of them again. For example, status bar, you can go ahead and enable brightness control, which is actually part of CyanogenMod. You get additional options like show notification count, carrier label, let's see, clock and day. You can go ahead and customize all of this. You can make it center clock, change the date, add date, network traffic, and also you can go ahead and enable the navigation bar, or you can disable it. So I know some of you probably won't want this, so go ahead and disable that. You can also enable it if you want to. And also you'll find some bunch of stuff in miscellaneous. You'll be able to customize your animations. Gesture anywhere, you'll be able to add any gestures, shortcuts. Basically, if you can trigger the actual gesture anywhere by clicking on where the gesture is. Let me go ahead and add one of these here. For example, if you want to go to your calendar, you want to do a C, done, all right? And it will trigger when you touch that part of the screen. So let me go ahead and go to the home screen here. Let me go trigger, C, calendar. So that's how it really works. I didn't sign into my Google, that's why it's trying to sign in there. Very good here. And let me go ahead and show you app circle bar, which is also very nice. And this is the same thing. Make sure you adjust the trigger height and width. As if you put it down here, it might interfere when you're using your keyboard. Go ahead and include any apps you want to include. And boom shakalaka. You'll be able to browse through your apps real easy. This is really good if you're using your phone with one hand, maybe perhaps walking on the treadmill or something. You want to switch apps like this. It's a great way to do that. All right, let's actually go on to some of the other stuff you can do. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off for now. Clear all button, you can go ahead and customize that. Notification drawer, you will also be able to customize your tiles here. And with Android 5.1, you can go ahead and just click on there, drop down, and you'll be able to switch your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth easily before you have to actually go into the settings. So that really saves time. And one thing I've noticed, it does save a ton of time, which is nice. You know, that's what all, being high on Android is about. Buttons, you can go ahead and customize buttons. One of the things I like to do, if you want to make your home button sort of like, sort of like Galaxy S6, you can go ahead and enable double tap. So it won't work when your phone's off, but you can go ahead and double tap from anywhere, and it should launch your camera. Hello. Oops. Let me try that again. Launch camera. All right. Yep. Maybe it's broken. All right. Sorry. That feature, I'm not sure what. You may have to reboot on some of these. That could be why. But it should work. So those are configurations there, and also theme chooser, performance. There you have it. Other than that, it's a really fast ROM. If you're looking for Android 5.1, I'm surprised everything works out of the box for Resurrection Remix. This is one of the better ROMs you can install for the GT-N7100 if you want the latest Android 5.1. A ton of customization, and revamp your phone into one of the faster phones. So definitely check it out, and do let me know what you think. But I think you guys will love it, and do tell me what you think of this. And I'll see you guys soon, as always. Stay hard. on Android. And thanks so much for watching this video. This is my second YouTube channel covering the ROMs and my extra videos. If you want to see my main videos, go ahead and subscribe to my main channel over at ZenoMax, where I cover stuff like the Nexus 6, the Note Edge, Note 4, and all of the latest Android gadgets. And I'll see you guys soon. As always, stay on Android.